What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to check your PC specs on your PC. What you're going to do is click the Windows button right here, or just click the Windows key on your keyboard. If it doesn't show settings right here, just type it in like so, settings, and then click enter. It'll open you up your settings. When your settings open up, click system, scroll all the way down to about. Don't make fun of my PC specs, I'm running on a Dell laptop. Alright, click about, and right here, device specifications. Here is your specifications right here, right there, right there. Gigabytes of RAM, IC ID, product ID, system type, pin and touch. And then here is your processor right here. I have an i5. Like I said, don't make fun of me in the comments. But if you want to check your PC version, go down to Windows specifications. It'll say edition. I'm running on a Windows 11 Home. So there it is, guys. That's how you check your PC specifications on your personal computer.